1992 Dodge Viper RT10. 1992 Dodge Viper RT10 specs. Engine, 8-liter V8. Transmission, 6-speed MT. Power, 400 horsepower. Torque, 465 lb-ft. The Dodge Viper is technically a muscular sports car, but we felt that it was worth including, if only because Chrysler's 90s lineup was otherwise sorely lacking in power. In any case, the first generation makes for one of the best modern analogs to the Shelby Cobra, packing a thundering engine, an open-top construction, and some side-exiting exhaust. The Lamborghini-developed V10 engine produced 400 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque, enabling 4.3 seconds 0 to 60 miles per hour, and if you were daring enough to attempt to tame the snake, a 168 mile per hour top speed. Across the SR1 generation, Vipers averaged $49,602 for the 1992 to 1996 model years. However, first-year examples average almost double that, $98,406, as a mere 285 cars rolled off the line.